Hey everyone, I'm Daneja. I'm a software engineer working in Tokyo. And outside of work, I'm building side projects sharing my journey here in Japan. A few days ago, something pretty random but really interesting happened. So I thought I'd share it. So Dalen was visiting Tokyo for a few days and he put up a story saying,
Alright people, we made it to Tokyo. If you want to join the meetup tomorrow, DM me the word Tokyo. I'll send you the details and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
And I replied and got a location. Luckily, I was free on that day and I thought, why not? It felt like a great opportunity to not only meet him in person but also to meet other creators in Japan with similar interests.
There's like a lot of similar questions. So what I was thinking, which I've never done before, is just come together a little bit, maybe, like not disturb everyone else, maybe we can do it over there, but just do like a little bit of a panel, because I feel like there's so many valuable questions.
China. Do you have a recommendation of how to ship out of China if you're not doing, like we're already doing like 5,000 units in the year?
First of all, I think when you start anything, you should always start small.
For those of you who don't know who Daniel is, he's an entrepreneur and creator who's building a really nice community around his content, focusing on business, creativity, and self development. Simply put, he's working hard to build and grow his business, and he creates content to document his journey and inspire others, but in an interesting way. He has not even monetized his channel because he wants to use the music he likes. So naturally, the people who showed up on that day were like-minded people who resonate with what he shares. This meetup really highlighted why I started sharing my journey online. I work a full-time job, I work on my side projects, I plan and create content after work, and honestly, it gets exhausting sometimes. But meeting people who are also building things, creating content, and listening to what and how they do it in Japan makes it more interesting and motivating. So that's the direction I want this channel also to go. Not just vlogs, but sharing the process, the struggles, and the learning. I have also created a Discord server for people who are into tech, Japan, or building things on the side. especially if you live in Japan or Tokyo. It's a very open space, no pressure, no gatekeeping, just people connecting, sharing ideas, and asking questions. It's still in the early stages, and I'm figuring out how the Discord server works and all that. But if that sounds like something you'd like, you're more than welcome to join. The link will be in the description below. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content like this.